And then this is a Sundance filter. You actually take the filter lid off the top like this right here. Has this kind of cover. It has a floating type weird door. Instead of it going backwards and forth, it goes up and down. And you can see this one has a little thing here to put a chemical into there. But the way it works is there's a little piece down here that holds it. It's got a crown on the back, like the crown on the back of this one. This is not the right filter, but it works the same principle. That one's for older tubs, but you basically undo the nut here that pushes it. You push it forward, release it from the crown, and then you can pull it out. And it has a hole in one end of it. You can see this filter is in pretty bad shape, but it has that device. So basically, to install it, you just stick it back down in here, just like that right there. Push it on, lock it into the little crown part in the back like that. Reach up here and tighten that nut. Hard to do with one hand. Okay, filter, come on. I'm going to have to set the camera down. So suffice it to say that you shouldn't be trying to put a Sundance filter in with one hand, because you've got to lock it in the back and then tighten that nut on this side, and it's hard to hold it down. That's how you do a Sundance. The way it works is you take, this would be mounted actually in the tub. This is mounted on the wall, and it has a nut on it that you can screw on. So basically the filter would slip up in here, then you'd slide it up into that other side, and then you would take this nut here and snug it up, and it fits actually in the filter. And what it does is wedges the filter up against the wall and up against this. Looks just like that on a Sundance. You can actually turn the nut like that to release it, turn the nut like that to tighten it up, and it fits right up inside there just like that. This is for a lot of Sundance tubs. The older Sundance tubs may use a filter that's like this that has a crown top, so it's solid on one side, and then it has a hole on the other side. This particular one has a 2-inch hole on this side. It is 15 inches long, and it is 7 3/8 wide. And so there's several different styles for Sundance. Basically measure it, figure out whether it has a hole in each end or a nipple and a hole or what the setup is. And if you've got the one with the toilet paper roll on it, this is your replacement for it. And pick it up today. I am the Hot Tub Professor. We're AmericanSpaParts.com.